Good morning. We are going to be doing 30 minutes of gentle yoga using the chair, and you will want to have the chair near either or touching a wall or a sturdy piece of furniture. So you'll want the back and seat of, or the legs of the chair to be touching a wall, a couch that's not going to move, or a dresser that's not going to move. Sometimes the back of a door is a good place to set yourself up. Now, we're going to start facing the chair, and you want to be about the distance that it will take you to get your hands underneath your shoulders, shoulders over the hands, and feet underneath the hips. So you're making a little rectangle here. Let me just check this alert that's come up. Nothing important, so let's keep going. Okay. So from here, we're going to come to mountain pose, facing the chair. Bring the hands to Namaste, prayer position. Breathe here for a moment, just finding your balance, your center point. And then inhaling, bring the arms down, out to the side, and up towards the ceiling. You can look up if you're comfortable doing that. Maybe touch the palms together or keep them shoulder distance apart. Exhale, folding forward, bring your hands down to the seat of the chair. Inhale here, we're in that little rectangular box position. And then on an exhalation, bend your elbows and take your forehead down to the chair. So this is standing forward bend, Uttanasana. We'll breathe here. We'll take 3 breaths when we're doing our flow. And then on an inhalation, straighten the arms. And still inhaling, step the feet back to down dog in the chair. So now you're opening the shoulders. You've got a nice angle here through the shoulder joint, and your hips are back over your feet. And you don't have to go any farther than parallel to the floor here. Your head should be in line with your upper arms. And we'll take 3 breaths here in down dog in the chair. And then on an inhalation, lifting the shoulders, stepping forward to foot underneath the seat of the chair, and you'll turn your back leg, so your left leg in this case, you step the right foot forward, turning that leg out to the side and bringing the left arm up. So now we're in triangle pose. Palm forward towards the screen. We'll take 3 breaths here. And then exhaling, come down to the seat of the chair. Still exhaling, step back into down dog again. And then here's going to be our flow. We'll inhale to high plank, so bringing your shoulders forward over your wrists and keeping a straight line. So you're not letting your hips dip toward the floor, and you're not leaving them up in the air, but trying to make a nice straight line. We'll take 3 breaths here. Again, coming out if you need to, back into down dog. And then exhale, back into down dog. Open the shoulders. Inhale, step forward. Exhale, fold to the seat of the chair. Inhale, come all the way up, taking the arms out to the side and up, looking up if you'd like to do that, or just looking straight ahead. And then exhaling the palms down in front of your heart. Inhale again here, lifting the chest. And exhale, bringing your hands down. All right, so I just realized that we forgot to do the other side of triangle during that vinyasa, but we'll do it the next time. So I'm going to talk you through it with the breath again. We'll do the left side of the pose. Checking to make sure that you're in the correct position away from the chair. Standing in Tadasana. So we're going to do this 3 times. Inhale the arms to the chest and exhale here. Next inhale, bring the arms down, then up to the sides and overhead. Exhale, folding forward to the seat of the chair. Inhale, lengthening the spine. Exhale, bending down to Uttanasana. We're going to take 3 breaths here. And 1. Work with your own breath. And 2. And 3. On an inhale, straighten the arms. Step the feet back into down dog, still inhaling. And then exhale here. 3 breaths. And then on your next inhale, you're stepping forward, turning that left foot out, and bringing the left arm up. Uttita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. We'll take 3 breaths here. Good. Stretching up through that left arm, shoulders away from the ears. And then on your next exhale, bring the hand down and step back to down dog. Good. And then inhale, come forward to high plank. And we're going to do 3 breaths here. Long, slow, easy breaths. Keep a nice straight line from the heels to the crown of the head. Draw the belly in slightly. Move the buttocks towards the heels. And then exhale back to down dog. Inhale, this time step the left foot forward. Turn the right foot out and reach up the right hand into triangle pose on the left side. We'll take 3 breaths here. 2 straight legs. And 1 more breath. And exhale that left or right hand down and step back into down dog. Exhaling. Inhale, step forward. Exhale, forehead to the chair. Inhale all the way up, lifting the arms out to the side and up overhead. And exhale, bringing the hands to Namaste in front of the chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Okay, so let's do that again. Inhale, the hands up in front of the chest. Exhale here. Inhale, the arms all the way up, looking up. Touching the palms or keeping them halfway over the shoulders. And then exhale, bringing the hands down to the chair. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold the forehead down to the chair. 3 breaths here. 1, 2, 3. On your next inhale, come up. Exhale, step back into down dog. 3 breaths here. 1, 2, really lengthen through the arms. 3. And then inhale, bring your right foot forward, turn your left foot out. Bring your right hand in line with your leg at the center of the chair and reach that left arm up. Breathe here. 2 and 3. And then exhaling, bring your hand down to the seat of the chair and step back into down dog. Good. Inhale forward into high plank, and we're going to take 3 breaths here. Inhaling and exhaling, soft, easy breath. Moving back to down dog if this becomes difficult. There's also the option, if this bothers your wrist, to go straight forward, to hold on to the sides of the chair, turning the palms out. All right. And then back to down dog on an exhalation. Now we'll do triangle on the left side. So on an inhalation, step your left foot forward, move your hand to the center of the chair, ground your right heel, turning the foot out, and reach that right arm up. 3 breaths here. 2 and 3. And exhaling, bring your hand back down to the seat of the chair. Still exhaling, step back. And then inhale, step forward. Exhale, forehead to chair. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, hands by the sides. One more time with this one. Inhale, the arms up to the chest. Exhale, stay. Inhale, the arms all the way up. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the chair. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forehead to chair, and take 3 breaths. Really feel the weight even in the balls and heels of the feet. Feel the stretch through the backs of the legs. One more breath here. And then on an inhalation, push up. On an exhalation, step back. Down dog. 3 breaths here. Now feel how you're still stretching the backs of the legs, but you're also stretching the shoulders open. Good. Keep lifting the kneecaps and pressing the thighs back, keeping those legs engaged. One more breath here. And then inhale, step your right foot forward. forward, turn your left foot out, right hand to the center of the chair, and reach your left arm up. Maybe this time look up past that left hand. Taking 3 breaths here, 2 straight legs. Weight even on the front and back, the left and right edges of your feet. And then exhale, bring your hand down to the seat of the chair. Still exhaling, step back into down dog. Inhale, high plank. If you want to challenge yourself here as you're taking these breaths, maybe bend the elbows alongside the ribs slightly, coming down just a few inches. Engaging those arm muscles more. And then push back into down dog, exhaling. Inhale, step your left foot forward, turn the right foot out, place the left hand at the center of the chair and reach the right arm up. 3 breaths here. You want to make sure that back foot is turned just slightly in toward the midline. The front leg is pointed straight towards the chair wall. Toes, knee, thigh all pointed forward. And then exhaling, bring that right hand down to the chair. Still exhaling, push back into down dog. Inhale, step forward to feet underneath the hips. Exhale, forehead to chair. Inhale, pushing up, come all the way up. Stretch. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Okay. Now we're going to do side angle pose in the center of our flow. So inhale the arms up to the chest. Exhale here. Inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale, fold forward towards the seat of the chair. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Forehead to the seat of the chair. Take 3 breaths here. Lift the kneecaps, press the thighs back. And then inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale, step back into down dog in the chair. Take 3 breaths here. Open the shoulders. Stretch from the hands to the hips. Press the thighs back. Press into the heels. And then on an inhalation, step your right foot forward. Ground the left heel, and you're going to bend that front knee. Keep it bent, and you can rest the knee or the shin on the front of that chair. Bring your forearm down to the chair. So my elbow, my forearm, my hand are all on the seat of that chair. And then reach your left arm back and up. Turn the palm to face the wall over your head and reach for that wall. So if you're doing this with the chair pushed up against the couch or a dresser, you may not have that wall to touch. That's fine. Just keep stretching over the ear. So we'll take 3 breaths here. And then on an exhale, bringing your hand back down to the chair, exhaling back into down dog. And then inhale, high plank. 3 breaths here, with the option of bending the elbows slightly, keeping that whole body straight. Another breath here. And then exhale back to down dog. Second side, step your left foot forward. Second side, keep the knee bent. Bend or turn your right leg out and bring your left hand to the seat of the chair. Reach your right arm back up and over the ear. 3 breaths here. Turn the left ribs forward, the right ribs back. Maybe look up past the inner right arm. 1 more breath here. And then exhale, turn back down to the chair. Step your foot back to down dog. Inhale, step forward. Exhale, forehead to the seat of the chair. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, hands to chest. Inhale here. Exhale, hands to the side. Let's do that one again. Inhale the arms up to Namaste. Exhale here. Inhale the arms out to the sides and up. Exhale, fold forward. Hands to the seat of the chair. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward bend. 3 breaths here. Uttanasana, standing forward bend. 2. 3. And on an inhale, push up. On an exhale, step back. Down dog in the chair, 3 breaths here. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, shoulders onto the back. Keep the head in line with the upper arms. Lift up through the kneecaps and press the thighs back. 1 more breath. Step the right foot forward, keep the knee bent. Ground your left heel and bring your right hand to the seat of the chair. Reach your left arm back, up, and over the head. Side stretch pose, Utthita Parsva Konasana. So if it bothers your shoulder to move in this plane, your other option to bring the shoulder up is to go back. So you're stretching towards the wall behind you and then swing the arm forward and up. So if you have any restriction in your shoulder joint, that one might feel better. All right. On an exhalation, bring your hand back down to the chair. Keep exhaling into down dog. Inhale, high plank. Hold here. Bending the elbows for a little bit of extra work in the arms or just staying here. And then on your next exhale, Push back into down dog. And inhale, step the left foot forward, keep the knee bent, ground the back heel, forearm to the chair, reach the right arm up and back, and then over the ear to the wall. Turn the left ribs forward, the right ribs back, and maybe look up past that inner arm. 3 breaths. And then bring your hand back down to the seat of the chair. Push back into down dog. Exhaling. Inhaling, step forward. Exhaling, forehead to the seat of the chair. And inhaling all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, bring the hands down by the sides. Okay, that is our class for today. And I hope you enjoyed doing those sun salutations using the chair. I will see you tomorrow. Be well.